Hello everyone, wherever you're watching from, welcome to Survey Payout. And I would like to say shout out to Hero for bringing these updates to light. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, we have a survey site called Zesting.com. Okay, so this survey site has been for some time, and then we've been working on this site to confirm the reality and the worthiness of this particular website, and it has shown proof that this website is really paying. So now I would like you to watch this video to the end if you have interest making money online. At least with this update you can be able to cash out $10, £5, £10 daily, and it all depends on your consistency on the site. Now there are a few things I would like you to note on this website. The first one is that this website they pay with points. So you can have 500 Zest points when you first join. Okay, you have 500 Zest points. So in this video I'm going to talk about their withdrawal threshold. I have an account with them, and there have been several cash outs both from the UK and USA. Alright, so if you are interested in making money online with survey payouts, this video is for you. You can do yourself good not to jump on this website, because if you jump on it without watching the video to the end, the things that I would explain why after login, you may miss those parts. So please, if you really want to be successful or really want to cash out easily on Zesting, I will invite you to be on this video. The video may be long, but it is worth, and it will always be worth your time and effort. Now, a few things you need to know are this. If you are not in the United States, or maybe you are not in the United Kingdom, and you are probably using this site with a VPN, there is high probability that you will not qualify for surveys and your account will get banned. Okay, so but if you are using a proxy, I would recommend a proxy for you where you can be able to work on this site. Some of you who have good proxies can also work on this site. Now let's look at this. Now, who can use Zest? I'm going to make a thorough review. Now, you need to be 18 years old, and this particular website or company are in Argentina, Australia, Brazil, then Belgium, Germany. They are in so many countries, some African countries, including South Africa. Okay, so that is it for that one. And now, how long will it take you to earn these Zest points, and what is the minimum Zest point for withdrawal? I will do that while I log in. Now remember that you can cash out in 3 ways. You have 3 different cash out methods on this particular Zest. You can use the crypto. You can cash out via crypto, via PayPal and Amazon. I have already signed up. I have an account, like I said, and I'm going to sign up again using a fresh email, and then I will show you how the interface looks like. So once you are here, what you have to do is you come to sign up, and then you click on the sign up button. So but before that, let me show you something. Now my proxy is connected, and you will need to come to ip8.com and then check if you are totally safe to work on this site. Okay, so with this I am totally safe to work on the site. No VPN is detected, and my IP matches that of my proxy, and there is no web ROTC IP leak. Okay, so now let's go back to the video. So yeah, what I have to do is to put in my email. Okay, so I have a lot of emails here. I'm just going to pause the video and then put in one of my email. Okay, so and then I will put in a password. Maybe I can change this email. I have an account with that one, so let me just change this email. Okay, so at gmail.com. Okay, so you see, after I put in my password and my email, I clicked on the check the I'm not a robot box there, and then verified. I clicked on create account, and then they've sent, if you check up here, like this side, if you check, you will see that I've received an email for me to go and confirm my account. So I'll pause this video and go to my email and verify my account. But make sure that the same browser you're using should be the browser that would verify this account. So let me pause this video. Alright, so now I've copied the email, and then I'll just come here and paste the verification link and click on go. Okay, now my account has been verified with email. And one other thing is you need a phone number to verify, but you may likely want to verify while you cash out, or when you reach the withdrawal threshold. You may likely want to verify that time, or you can verify while you are yet to reach the withdrawal threshold. Okay, so this is the email, and then I'll pause the video, put in a password and log in. So I've put in the password. I'll need to verify this captcha and then log in. Then click on login. So this is going to take me to the interface of Zesting. Okay, so as promised, why do you register here? While you register, you're going to get 500 points, and Zesting is very easy. For USA, it's very easy for you to cash out. Now, the withdrawal threshold is 1000 ZP. So, and these are surveys with little minutes and easy cash out. Now, For Zesting, they work with different survey partners. Let me click on survey partners so that you can see the survey partners they work with. Now they work with BitLabs. So they work with BitLabs. I don't want to continue here because let me click on accept. Okay, so these are surveys for BitLabs. Okay, these are a lot of surveys for BitLabs with good ZP points. And then for CPX, there are a lot of surveys for CPX. So there will be no magic for you. And this is a new one. When I started, this one was not here, this OpinionNet, but now we have OpinionNet, and then Poolfish is already here. So even with the BitLab and CPX, you can be able to cash out $10-20 in a day. Those who have really spare time to work from home. And if you're a game lover, you come to game and then you can play games. There are a lot of games you can play and cash out. Okay, so now let me show you the next thing. Let me show you the next thing here. Let me click on my profile. So I hope you are already enjoying the video. You are excited that this is an update probably you've been waiting for you to cash out for survey if you've not earned money on survey before. So now my email is verified here. I need a phone number verification, and this is a United States account. So for me to get more points, there is an affiliate part here, which is to invite a friend, and then you earn 2,000 ZP. Remember, the minimum withdrawal threshold is 1,000 ZP, which is equivalent to $1. You can cash out through many means. So when you invite a friend and your friend cash out, you are going to get 2,000 ZP. So let me click on the 500 ZP here. And okay, so if I want to redeem, click on redeem, and then it's going to show me different means of withdrawal. This is the crypto, and I can withdraw with cash and also gift cards. So if I'm to withdraw with cash, the minimum withdrawal threshold is 1, and then the highest is 20 USD. Same for Vermont. So I need 1,061 to cash out with PayPal. Now, for instance, if I click on this PayPal, I'll be asked to verify my account. So I just want to understand this. Now, when I reach the withdrawal threshold, if for instance, I had this $1, next thing would have been that I should verify my account, and then they will send a link, a redemption link for me on my email. So guys, if you are looking for a demograph for this particular survey, I have the demograph on my WhatsApp group. Okay, and if this is your first time watching my video or my channel, please like this video if this video is worth your time, and if this really makes sense, because I have lots of videos to upload. These are secret websites I've actually earned with some friends, and I'm here to upload them on my YouTube channel. Okay, so that is all about this. So I would like you to check in the description of my YouTube channel. You'll find my you'll find a link to my WhatsApp group and join my WhatsApp group for the demograph. Okay, so let's see one other last thing here. For those who are returning subscribers, those who are watching this video and have been with me for some time, I'm grateful for all your efforts, and I would like you to also share this video to others and let them come join and earn with us. So let me click on the verification so you can see the pattern for verification. Now you can verify with the phone number, and you can also do another verification, which is for you to link an external account. So by doing this, they may ask you to also do a face verification. So but the best one is to verify with the phone number. And remember, if you want to cash out with your crypto, they may ask you for a face verification. So if you have a PayPal account, that is a good that would be a good means for withdrawal. So thank you for watching this video to this last end. In due time, I'm going to drop other videos, like I said, other secret websites like this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.